In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Arduino microcontroller and motor controller modules on your Make-A-Pede. You are going to need an assembled Make-A-Pede chassis with motors, your motor controller, your Arduino, your two 3D printed mounting plates, your leftover small bolts from assembling the chassis, and your 8 small self-tapping screws. Take the Arduino out of its anti-static bag. The Arduino is going to mount on top of the mounting plate using 4 small self-tapping screws. First, mount the mounting plate to the robot using 4 of the small bolts. You will want to make sure that the power jack of the Arduino faces to the right side of the robot so that it is closer to the head segment. Take the 4 small nuts and press 1 into each of the hexagon-shaped holes in the mounting plate. You can use pliers to help push these nuts into the plate. Turn the robot over and put a screw and a small washer into each of the 4 holes. Use a screwdriver to tighten these until they are fairly snug, being careful not to crack the plastic. Now take your Arduino and set it on top of the mounting plate. Use the small self-tapping screws to bolt it down to the plate. Now we will install the motor driver. Take the motor driver out of the box. On one end of the motor driver is a set of screw terminals. The other end is a small header pin. The header pin is going to face the Arduino, and the screw terminals are going to face the back of the robot. Place the 3D printed base piece on the robot. It does not matter which way you orient this piece. Bolt it down in the same manner as the Arduino mounting plate. Now place the motor driver on the base piece with the header pins facing the Arduino. Connect it to the base piece using the 4 remaining small self-tapping screws. Now we will attach the motor harness wires to the motor controller. Figure out which harness is connected to the left side of the robot. This wire is going to go into the terminal labeled M1. Start by loosening the terminals. Connect the red wire to the port labeled M1A. Connect the black wire to the port labeled M1B. Now take the wire from the other side of the robot and connect the black wire to M2A and the red wire to M2B.